So we're going to stuff our buns. We have, it's very, very moist, but no juice running in the bottom. A little bit down there, just a little bit of juice down there. And this is what we're going to stuff our buns with. Oh yeah, that's some nice smoked pork. Wow. It's going to be good. We had another Poolish here. We're trying another attempt. This was an attempt to add some rye flavor to a nice wheat bread. And boy, the first batch I made was out of this world. Waiting for some more reviews to come in on that. So we made another Poolish, and this Poolish is a white all-purpose flour and a semolina flour. So it's a 50-50, 50 gram and 50 gram. So it's a semolina flour, and maybe you can see it's got a little bit of a yellow tint to it, and that's what the semolina flour brings to it. So in this batch here that we're doing this morning, I'm going to make some stuffed buns today. So we're going to use milk, and we're also going to use an egg in replace of the water. So that's where we're at. We got a bunch of AP flour down in there with salt and powdered milk and sugar and yeast and all of that good stuff in there. So we're going to get this mixed and see where we go from here. All righty. See what our big mixer did. That's looking good. Let's go and see if we can turn that out on the camera. Let's see what we got here. Wow, that's not too bad. That's a, all right, let's let that ride. We'll give that about an hour or so until it doubles, and then we'll break it down and make some rolls. I'm going to put a little flour, just a little bit of flour. There you go, just to dust the countertops a little bit. All right. Let's see what we got here. Let me get an accurate weight if we can. I probably did this wrong. 2,825. 2,825 grams. I dropped a piece of water there. All right. Okay, come on, baby. There you go. What did I say? 1,800 and something? 1,825 minus 2,825. So we have about 1,600. About 1,600 grams that we need to divide. All right, let's see what we can do here. 401. Wow. That's pretty good. This is going to be way more. 432. I'm going to take that all to a little piece off. Wow, 401. There's 2 pieces, 401. 392. We're good. We're good for what we're doing here. So, I want 400, 300. I need to cut these in 3s. About 125. And that's what we want, about 125 grams for each roll. We got 122 there. $127 there. 126. 2, 4, 10, 12. 12 pieces. Remember these rolls have about 60 grams, 55 grams of butter in them. It's about 3 tablespoons. Was it 3 tablespoons? Yeah, about 3 tablespoons of butter. So they're going to be a really nice, well, you see how soft they are. Be a really nice fluffy bun. And we made these with milk instead of water. They have 1 egg in them. So this would be some really nice dough. Alrighty. So we'll take those and let them sit 15, 20 minutes, and we'll come back and press them out and stuff them. There you go. We're good. Rocking and rolling. Oh yeah, we let them rest just a few minutes and flatten them out and stuff them. Get them stuffed. Oh yeah. Just put a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit out here. Just a little bit out here. Let's see how I'm going to do one of these. So the juice came out, and now it's not wanting to stick very good, but that's okay. We're just going to take and set that baby. Right on that tray there. Maybe that's what I need to do, to pick her up higher. Stay away from that. There you go. See if we can prevent that from happening in the future. Okay, so that's what I needed to do. I needed to pull the sticky higher. Let's try another one. Same thing. Get out of here, Paul. Tons of meat on here. Pull it all the way out. Pull this all the way out. And then pull the other 4 corners out and pinch it. And we'll just leave that right on the top. Put these kind of close together on this pan. All right, we'll cover those up and let them rise. Boy, that's heavy. A lot of meat in here. Nice buns. All right, we got all the buns stuff. The ones that were broken, we repaired. They're looking good. They're big buns for these small trays, 6 buns. This is gonna be big old things. I probably should have put them on something different, but that's okay. We're gonna sit there here or let this sit and let it rise for about 30, 40 minutes, and we're gonna get big puffy buns. We're gonna bake these babies. Yeah, those are stuffed in that pan. They're touching the sides, they're touching each other. Okay. Oven's preheated to 350 degrees. So I have just a little egg yolk. Wow, that seemed like fun. It hadn't moved. Little egg yolk around the top of them. Wow, look how yellow. Look how pretty yellow that is. You can put a lot of sesame seeds on there. Give one shot. The meat's in the bun, so we're not cutting them open, putting condiments on them. All righty, let's see if we have enough to do this up. To make sure that I can catch those excess seeds. All right, let me carry it over and put them in the oven. We'll be back in about 30 minutes, 35 minutes, see what these look like. Let's see what we can do here. There you go. That was a little easier than digging them out. Look at that. Oh yeah. Okay. Back in for just like 2 minutes. Let's set them down in there. Right. Holly. Come on, David. Get with the program. There you go. Wow. Stuffed buns.